Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're going to be talking about the stunning industrial dining room decor, and let's discover top design ideas and tips to create a stylish and functional dining space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking to infuse your dining room with a raw, edgy aesthetic? Industrial design is the perfect style to achieve that. By blending rustic elements with modern touches, you can create a space that's both stylish and functional. Let's delve into the key elements of industrial dining room decor and explore some top design ideas to inspire your next home project. Remember, the beauty of industrial design lies in its versatility. It can be adapted to suit various tastes and budgets. Industrial dining room decor is a style that embraces the raw, unfinished elements of industrial spaces and translates them into a stylish and functional dining area. It's characterized by the use of raw materials like metal, wood, and concrete, as well as exposed architectural elements like brick walls and exposed beams. Here are some of the key elements of industrial dining room decor. 1. Raw materials. Industrial design often leans towards raw, unfinished materials. Metal, wood, and concrete are the primary players here. Think of a sturdy metal dining table paired with reclaimed wood chairs, or a concrete floor topped with a plush, oversized rug. 2. Exposed elements. Expose the building's raw structure to enhance the industrial aesthetic. This could mean leaving brick walls bare, showcasing exposed beams, or even leaving pipes and ductwork visible. These elements add a sense of history and authenticity to the space. 3. Industrial lighting. Industrial lighting fixtures, such as pendant lights with exposed bulbs or metal cage shades, can dramatically transform your dining room. Track lighting is another excellent option, offering flexibility and a modern edge. 4. Bold colors and textures. While industrial design often leans towards a neutral color palette, don't be afraid to add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, artwork, or a colorful rug. The contrast between the raw, industrial elements and vibrant colors can create a striking visual impact. Ready to transform your dining space into an industrial haven? These 10 design ideas will help you create a stylish and functional dining room that's both edgy and inviting. From raw materials to bold accents, let's dive into the world of industrial design. 1. Reclaimed wood dining table. A solid wood table crafted from reclaimed wood beams or barnwood exudes rustic charm. Its weathered surface and unique grain patterns add character to your space. Pair it with metal or leather chairs for a striking contrast. 2. Metal and glass dining table. A sleek glass tabletop paired with a minimalist metal frame creates a contemporary, industrial look. This combination is perfect for smaller dining areas, as the glass top gives the illusion of more space. 3. Industrial pendant lighting. Hang multiple pendant lights with exposed bulbs or metal shades over your dining table to create a dramatic focal point. The play of light and shadow adds depth and ambience to your space. 4. Exposed brick wall. An exposed brick wall adds warmth and texture to your dining room. You can leave the brick in its natural state or paint it white for a more minimalist look. 5. Metal accents. Incorporate metal accents like sculptures, mirrors, or hardware to enhance the industrial vibe. A metal wall sculpture or a vintage industrial light fixture can be a stunning focal point. 6. Industrial-style bar cart. A metal bar cart with a rustic wood top is a stylish addition to your dining room. Use it to display your favorite spirits, glassware, and decorative items. 7. Leather dining chairs. Leather dining chairs add a touch of luxury and comfort to your industrial dining room. Choose chairs with clean lines and metal accents to complement the industrial style. 8. Industrial-style rug. A geometric or abstract rug can add a pop of color and pattern to your industrial dining room. Look for rugs with a worn or distressed look to enhance the industrial aesthetic. 9. Metal wall art. Metal wall art, such as sculptures or metal signs, can add a unique touch to your dining room. Choose pieces with a raw, unfinished look to complement the industrial style. 10. Vintage industrial finds. Incorporate vintage industrial finds, like old factory equipment or antique tools, to create a truly authentic look. A vintage typewriter or a collection of antique tools can be displayed on shelves or used as decorative accents. By incorporating these elements and design ideas, you can transform your dining room into a stylish and functional space. Remember, the key to successful industrial design is to balance the raw, edgy elements with softer, more inviting touches. Want more inspiration for your industrial dining room? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more design tips and tutorials. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.